guys, in this video today I'm gonna show you how I prepare for this new semester. And this is my senior year and it's the first semester, and I wanted to like start off on a good note because this is a different school. I'm living on campus. It's my first time being on campus, even though it's my second year here. I was online last year. I wanted like this new mindset, like physically everything to be ready. Last week was syllabus week, but this week is like the actual week where I start classes. I wanted to actually give myself a makeover, a physical makeover and like a mental, just like preparing, having a good mindset, setting goals for the semester. And so I'm gonna show you how I do that. I have a list of what I'm gonna do. The first thing I'm gonna do is, do you see these nails? I got my nails done with my roommate, but look, it's already chipping and it's not even a week yet. The first thing I need to do is take this off. So you're gonna see me prep and glow up for the semester because I need it. We all need a good start. So I encourage you to start setting up goals and what you want, like intentions and everything for this semester. And even a school year for like people who are in high school, school year, people who even graduated, just like from now on to the end of the year. If you want a good start, get everything ready, start it off great. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hope you get some inspiration from it. Like, I just like getting up, doing things, getting everything done, and I like it to be organized. So let's start with my nails, taking off these things. So the first thing I do is my hair, and the reason I do my hair first is because I can just put on my mask and do the rest of the chores and like tasks I need to do while it's like marinating everything in my hair. So I start with this oil, and this oil consists of like 8, I'm not sure, I just kept mixing oils, like 8 oils, and I'm gonna list it right here. But what I do is I just put it on my hand and I put it on my hair. Mind you, my hair is straightened, so I wanted to do this oil treatment so that I could bring that moisture back because I haven't been oiling it up or like moisturizing it or anything at all. So I also put it on my scalp and I just spread it. I try to stimulate my scalp, you know, it's good for hair growth, especially with all these oils. So I do that to every section that I braided my hair with, and I put it as much as I can. I want every strand to touch that oil. So I put that up and I do the same thing on the other side. The next thing I do while my hair is marinating is I clean up my sink because that's the easiest thing to do. So I put everything away. This microban, I suggest it to everyone. First of all, it smells bomb. And second of all, it disinfects, but when you leave, it's still disinfecting. Like after an hour, it's still disinfecting. So this is my favorite cleaning product right now. After I'm done with that, I put everything back to where it is. It smells good, everything's disinfected, clean, ready for the week. Next, I wash my hands and I do my skincare mask. So I do this one skincare mask weekly so that my skin is exfoliated. So I use the ordinary chemical exfoliant mask. So this is a mask but also exfoliates your skin. So instead of like, I used to use those exfoliates that had rocks in them so that to exfoliate my skin, but that's really bad. And I used to see my skin irritated, but I still kept going. But I think this is the best product anyone can have. This is when I realized I didn't even wash my face before putting on the mask. And I just continued on. I'm like, it's only 1 week. But I usually wash my face before because you're supposed to have a clean face before putting this on. So I just kept putting it on. But I leave it on for 5 minutes, no more than that, because the Ordinary is strong. And if I keep it on more than that, my skin is irritated for 2 days. Next, I finally got to wash this straightened hair out. I hate when my hair is straightened, so I was really excited to wash my hair. I'll do a detailed new updated wash routine soon. I actually have a really good idea for this next video for my hair that I figured it out, so stay tuned if you want to see that. So excited. After my shower, I go straight to my curly hair routine. I just put on the curly hair products I need for the week. So I just do it this day, and then for the rest of the week it kind of stays up, and I just keep adding on products to it to refresh my curls daily. After I'm done with that, I wash my hands and then I wash my face. Well, I was supposed to do it before, but forgot that. So I wash my face for the night, brush my teeth, moisturize my skin. And then I also derma roll on, what is it, derma roll? No. I also jade roll so that my skin is depuffed, everything is good, my face feels cool. That's the main reason I do it. It's basically to depuff under my eyes, my face, so that it feels cool after I wash it. And I only do it like a couple of times a week now, especially at nighttime. Then I moisturize my face. I also put the same CeraVe under eye cream to moisturize my under eye and even the top lid part. I know people forget that. I used to forget that. I just started doing it and life changing. Then I put my Laneige lip sleeping mask, which is my favorite. And then I just head to my room. After I've done all my tasks and everything on my list, I sit down and I try to write intentions for my week. This time it's for my semester, but I do it weekly too, just smaller goals. And then I just write down what I want, my goals, what I will do, everything for this semester, for this fall 2021 semester. And I just get everything straight. And every week I remind myself what my goals for the semester are to just refresh it. Then each week I add on to it, or like I add on to what details I should do. I do it, what I base it on is my faith. So I just go, I have Bible verses all around my desks and everything to remind me, but I have a Bible verse for each semester to keep me focused on that. And so I base it off of that. I look through it. Everything I do is like from the basis from my faith. So I just go write down all the goals I want to accomplish. After I've written down all my goals, everything is set straight, I finish off with the prayer to get everything, everything complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope your semester goes good. If you have goals, hopefully you took something away from this video. The rest of the year is what you make it. Thanks for watching and come again.